Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to solve the exercise of the poem. The name of the poem is The White Window. Answer the following questions. First question is, when does the moon come to the house? The answer of this question is, the moon comes every night. Next question, what does the moon come there to do? The moon comes there to peep at the poet. What does the person in the room do? The person in the room pretends to sleep. Does the moon make any sound? The moon makes no sound at all. Where does the moon then go to? The moon then goes to the house next door. How does the moon go to the next house? The moon goes to the next house very quietly. Why does the moon go next door? The moon goes next door to peep at the folk asleep there. These questions are more difficult. Discuss them first. Why do you think the speaker pretends to sleep? The answer of this question is, the speaker does not want to let the moon know that he is aware of her. When you look at the moon, what do you think about? You can write your own feelings about this question. In my point of view, when I look at the moon, I think about going there one day. Answer the questions about this line from the poem. She stands and stares, and then she goes. Who stands and stares? The answer of this question is, the moon does. Where is the person who is being stared at? He is in his bed. Where does she go after standing and staring? She goes to the house next door. What does she do after this? She peeps at the folk asleep and she never makes a sound. Use the following in sentences of your own. The meanings should be the same as those used in the poem. Stealing, stole. Stealing and stole. First one is stealing. Somebody is stealing our apples. Stole. The thief stole by the sleeping policeman. Peep, peeping. Aisha is peeping through the window. He peeped into the room from an open window. Pretend, pretending. Do not pretend to be asleep. I was just pretending to be asleep. Asleep, sleeping. Do not pretend to be asleep. I was not sleeping in my room on that night. Change one letter of each of the following to make a new word. जो वर्ड हमारे पास दिए हुए हैं, इनमें से आप जस्ट वन लेटर चेंज करेंगे और नया वर्ड बन जाएगा. सबसे पहले है ईट. ईट का ई जब हम हटाएंगे, सी लिखेंगे तो ये CAT कैट बनेगा. बी लगाएंगे तो बैट बनेगा. एम लिखेंगे तो मैट बनेगा. इसी तरह से यहाँ पे टेंट है, बेंट, सेंट. बैट, कैट, मैट. लैम्प, कैंप, डैम्प. बुक, लुक, cook, catch, match, batch, talk, walk, tank, read, beat, did, house, mouse, douse, door, poor, more, wall, khal, ball, pull, full, front, bent, pant, pick, kick, chick, jump, bump, lump, must, bust, must. Use these phrases in sentences of your own. Make your own comparisons. As swiftly as, आप इनको अपने जुमलों में इस्तेमाल करेंगे, ख़ुद से भी बना सकते हैं। जैसे as swiftly as the kite went up as swiftly as a rocket. As frightened as, when the dog growled, the children were as frightened as little kittens. As thick as, his hair is as thick as a jungle. As bright as, her face was as bright as the moon. As painful as, his harsh words were as painful as a blow to my head. As dull as, his ideas are as dull as a rainy day. So next, learning about language. Read the poem below. Some of the words are missing. There was a jolly miller once, lived by the dash D, lived by the river D. He worked and sang from morning to night. No lark more blithe than he. And this the burden of his song, forever used to be, I care for nobody, no not I, if nobody cares for me. Find the words which rhyme with the following: pain, drain, stain, lane, jug, mug, bug, rug, green, seen, lean, clean, bean, slip, grip, hip, sip, clip, smack, whack, track, back, slow, glow, blow, show, jump, lump, bump, dump, deep, sleep, sheep, keep, weep, foot, put, soot, wind, sind, pinned, find, hint. Composition. Write a short poem about the sun. Your poem can be about how the sun shines on you during the day, or how it appears first thing in the morning and wakes everybody up, or how it sets in the evening and puts everyone to bed. आपके पास 3 ऑप्शंस हैं, या तो आप ये ले सकते हैं, ये ले सकते हैं, या फिर ये ले सकते हैं। मैंने थर्ड वन ऑप्शन लिया है और उसके लिए देखें, आई वंडर वाई डज शाइन दिस सन ऑन एवरी हाउस एंड हिल एंड वे, एंड देयर ही फाइंड्स व्हाट काइंड ऑफ फन in shining all along the day. He comes when we are all asleep. He wakes us up and smiles a lot. We understand his plans so deep and do what he for us has got. And this is how we spend our time in jobs and works and chores of home, when all at once he brings a chime of evening bells of years to come,